Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is April 16, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold. Give you guys some levels that we're going to be looking at for for S&P and gold. I'll be doing the major levels. Wendy will be doing the minor levels. I am going to go over also some of the major levels on gold for you guys too, so you guys see some structure before the opening of the market. For those who are not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. For those who enjoy these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in here on YouTube and we can go ahead and get back to you guys as well on there. But let's go ahead and hop into it, guys. Today I have some major levels right around 41.56 as support. And underneath that, I had a major level of about 43.75 and 38.75. I did want to see if price could come back into that level and find that support, but we couldn't get down below that level, so we stayed and rotated right around 41.56 and then shot back to the upside. So do have some resistance at 41.76 that we could potentially see coming on the upside, but if we don't stop there, we may continue to go up. So still want to see if we can actually get some pullbacks to head to the upside. Some main levels below that for me is about 41.66 that I do want to see if price could come back and then maybe hold some support. But if we don't hold it there, come back to about 55 to 56 as that support level. But that is the main levels that I have. Underneath the 41.3875 is 41.2250 as support for me, but we'll see if price can actually get back down there and find some support. But that's my major levels that I have on my end. I'll hand it over to Wendy. She'll go over some of the minor levels she has as well.
Good morning, Dave and traders. Yeah, we are obviously bullish. We are above three main support levels. For me, 41.25, 50.50, and 54.50. Notice the 41.25 support was a prior peak from April 14th. No surprise, that's what happens in bullish markets. It comes back down and uses a prior peak for a bounce up. It's like a springboard. So when we're bullish, we look for prior peaks that have not been used. And we've got two that have been used so far, one at the 59.25, 62.75. But it's kind of iffy the way they've been used. I like to see the market go up a few points and come back down and use that peak as a springboard or a trampoline for the move up. Both those areas have not been used like that. So it's possible that the market could come back down and use it as the springboard. Those two levels are marked for me. And the highest peak I have at 66.25 has not been used at all yet. The market just shot right above it. So I have that area marked, locked and loaded to trade it if the market comes back down and uses it the way I like to see it being used. But so far in this market, there are no micro peaks or very small resistances to mark in the middle of those areas, which is unusual. It's very smooth price action. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, and it's using the major levels. So there are no micro peaks to use so far unless the US session gives us some. But that's all I have for S&P. Dave, what's going on with gold?
Awesome. Thanks, Wendy. Good job. So let's go ahead and take a look at gold here, guys, real quickly before the open. For gold, I am looking for the market to try to pull down a little bit deeper. I'm going to target this area here right around these 69.7s. Underneath this, we could see some support that potentially could come either around 65.7 or right around these 61. So we do want to see if this gold could actually pull down. Now we are heading to the upside, but we went above a measured move that we had consolidated in that area, and then we started to pull down. Now, really, the main support for me is going to be right here at about 69.7, as that's going to be the target for these sellers on the way down. So if you're looking for anything, you could continue that bullish move, but I like the bullish moves only when price comes back to the support areas. And for me right now, it's not sitting on a support area. It's actually underneath two kind of, well, one was a major level. Second one is more like a minor level. Price can't get above this level. So we're going to give it a couple attempts to get back down below. If we can't, we may turn back around, retest this area, and then try to go back up. So a couple ideas you could have for gold, but for me, I am looking for this thing to pull deeper down. As you can see, we're starting to come down here. Do want to see if we can get down to these 69.7s and then below that, right around this area of about 61 to about 62 as my next level of support. So we'll see what we get on gold, but that is it. Let's go ahead and jump into these markets, guys.